You won't believe it. 8 years ago, I was nearly bankrupt with just peanuts in my pocket. Now I've got over 2 million in my account, a Mercedes G-Wagon, expensive jewelry, and the freedom to travel wherever and whenever I want. How did I make it? Trading. That's what saved me. In this video, I'll share an efficient strategy that's accessible even to beginners. I'll show you why I've chosen trading as the path to independence, even with minimal savings. Watch this video to the end. Hey, it's Evelyn. I've been trading professionally for over 8 years now. My win rate is 88.9%. Today, I have several million in my bank account. I wear jewelry from the finest designers, and I live in luxurious apartment. And to think, I once shared a tiny room with a friend on the outskirts of town, and I'm not even 30 yet. All thanks to trading. First, let's set up the platform. I'll start trading with $35 and use a 1-minute time frame with 30-second candles. Now let's make a choice. As for indicator, we're going with Bull's Power, CCI, and Keltner channel. Alright, time to tweak some settings. For CCI, we'll go with a period value of 11. In my experience, periods between 8 and 13 work best. I like to stick to what I know works. Many traders like to experiment here, but I prefer reliability. Here I think I want to change the colors so they would be easier to see and help us make quicker decisions. That's just more convenient. Alright, saving. Now, Bull's Power. We'll drop the period value a little and make the indicator line thicker. I suggest you just copy these Bull's Power settings. If you got any questions, you can always shoot me a message on my Telegram channel and I'll walk you through it. Now, on to Keltner channel. It needs tweaking it for today's strategy as well. Let's set the values to 15. Then 8 here, and leave the last value 1. Well, let's make the indicator lines a little thicker. Yeah, like that. And this one too. And here. So great! Now the chart looks good. All indicator lines are clearly visible and are configured for the most reliable signals. By the way, do you really need to know about indicators and other technical analysis tips? No. On my Telegram channel, I debunk the myth that trading is only for Nobel laureates and math geniuses. I provide beginner-friendly trading strategies that I've personally tested. I also share my signals. In our last session alone, we made about 740,000. By the way, I've already reached over 15,000 members, and all that is completely free. Click the link in the description and see for yourself how accessible trading really is. Let's kick off our trading session. We're looking at the first pair. Taking a close look at the chart, we can see a downward trend forming from our resistance level with those long red candles. We're following this trend, so it's time for a downward investment. Clicking on lower. Now, the bulls might try to halt the downward movement, causing the fall to slow down. But the downward momentum is still strong. Watch closely. The red candle might hover around the same value for a bit, but I'm confident that further bearish pressure will drive the price even lower. And that's where we'll get what we want. Let's see. Just as I anticipated, I now have $67 in my account. Let's keep going. Now on to the second pair. I'm going to invest $67. Let's see what's happening in the market. Yeah, look, it makes sense to invest in an uptrend because the candle is heading towards the resistance line. Given our entry point, this seems like the right decision. Getting ready for a call option, and let's click to go higher. This is a pretty common scenario. We discussed it with my Telegram subscribers last week too. Here the market is breaking out of a small consolidation, so the green candles will likely lengthen, reaching in the resistance line in 2 to 3 candles. That was a good trade. We spotted a classic pattern on the chart and succeed. Let's move on to the next pair. Here we are investing $128. Let's see how we can grow our deposit with this pair. Pay close attention to the chart. Yeah, we'll invest on the downside because this currency pair is in a downward trend, indicated by those long bearish candles. Clicking on lower. Here we get to trust the indicators. Bull's Power shows that bulls might try to stop the decline, as seen by those long green candles and a new one forming. However, the Keltner channel still suggests that bears will push the market down a bit more. likely resulting in another red candle. And that's how we'll make money. Thanks to my careful chart analysis, I've already made $246. Now onto the fourth pair. Alright, here we are investing $246. We can see that the upward movement has stopped for this currency pair. The chart has reached its local peak and now we anticipate a price decrease. So guys, let's call in a put option, hitting that lower button. Things should be straightforward here. The asset is so overbought that the price will confidently drop with the large red candles. I doubt the bulls will be able to reverse the trend. The market will be red. Nice job identifying the peak. My deposit has grown one more time. Every subscriber of my Telegram knows exactly when to enter a trade and when it's better to wait. You too can get access to the best daily profit tips. I've personally made over 10,000 trades with an 88.9% win rate. So my channel is all about professional advice and no useless theory. Find the link to the channel in the description below this video and in the pinned comment. Let's break down the pattern on the chart of the first pair. Here we can see that the market transitioned from growth to decline 4 times previously, indicating shifts in momentum between buyers and sellers. We can see 2 resistance lines. Here's the peak and here's the low point. However, after this juncture, the market turned completely red. The bears drove the price down, reaching a historical low, while bulls' power indicated a loss of bullish momentum in this area. Take a look at the CCI indicator. It's suggesting that the trend is weakening and hints at a potential reversal in the future. We are investing $472 here for growth, clicking higher right now. Awesome market analysis! Want to learn how to analyze the market alongside 15,000 subscribers? Join my Telegram channel for free. Check the first link in the description or pinned comment. Let's keep trading. I want to place another trade on the second pair. We'll invest $906 this time. We can see new waves of upward momentum forming, and given our short time frame, it makes sense to bet on growth. Let's click higher. Awesome one! I've made $17.41. Now let's revisit the third pair. We're increasing our investment to $1,000. We can see a channel movement forming at our local minimum. All indicators confirm this. Considering our entry point, we'll opt for a downward movement, clicking to go lower. Very good. Let's keep going. Let's look at the fourth pair now. Once again, I'm prepared to invest $1,000. All indicators are clearly pointing to a price drop. Clicking on lower right now. Smart move. Account balance is now at $3,581. Not bad at all, huh? Another trade on the first pair. Investment is still at $1,000. We can see the continuation of the trend reversal towards an upward trend from our local minimum. Let's go with it. Opening a call option right now. Button. Fantastic! Do you remember where I've started from? And what a great job we did. That's what a solid strategy and reliable indicators do to your account balance. Let's keep going. Back to the second pair. Let's invest another $1,000. By the way, right now subscribers of my channel are doing the same. Alright, we can see the price still on a downward trend. I'm opting for a put option right now. Good call! Now, on to the third pair. We're sticking with our $1,000 investment. Here, we are gearing up for an upward investment. Even after the reversal, this currency pair's upward trend persists. Clicking to go higher. Great result! Let's go for one more trade. Moving on to the fourth pair. Once again, we're investing $1,000. It's pretty obvious. There is a distinct upward trend here. Let's go with the flow. We'll opt for a call option, clicking on higher. Congratulations everyone! Our account balance is now $7,261. Every member of my community has a unique opportunity to maximize their trading results and get everything they need for a dream life. Join my Telegram channel for free. Already 15,000 beginners and experienced traders are getting about 740,000 together every session. I personally explain to each subscriber how to use the trading platform, which buttons to press in detail, step by step, and completely for free. Subscribers simply copy the trades because they know my win rate is over 88%, which means the chances of making any mistakes are minimal. They constantly thank me for the help. Check out this feedback.
Thanks to your signals, thanks to your analysis.
She's basically changing my financial situations.
Thanks to the information that you share in the group.
I gotta say, I didn't know anything about trading.
So if you want to start your trading career, I highly recommend you to start following her and her signals.
Thank you for responding to my messages.
Her win rate is pretty crazy.
There's a lot of people that can prove it to you.
Thank you. Mwah.
And as you can see for yourself, trading and signals are not as complicated as they might seem when you have a mentor like me. All you need to do is repeat my signals as my subscribers do. They constantly get about 800 every session. Want to trade with me and get the same results? 2 simple steps. Join my Telegram channel, send me a direct message, click the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video, and get in on the action with us.